Hello guys, today I have a product from Bombay Shaving Company. This is basically a beard growth product. It has components that enhances your beard growth. Well, I bought this product from my brother. I bought it from Amazon for I don't know. I'll just mention it in the video somewhere. And I'll be in this video. I'll be telling you guys my first impression of this product. So this video is all about the first impression. So let's begin. So the package is really good. It has nice, sturdy, hard package, and it has three components: one beard growth oil, one charcoal face wash, and a derma roller. The beard growth oil, yeah. So let's begin with charcoal face wash. So we all know how good charcoal is for your skin. It removes all the impurities and it clears the skin. So in this it says that it is used for pollution and oil control. It contains activated charcoal which removes dirt, excess oil and other impurities from the skin. Okay, so this charcoal face wash, individually it costs ₹249 for 100 grams, but I think it will be less when you buy the entire Bombay Shaving Company box. And this charcoal face wash is also sulfates and paraben free, so it's a great deal. Packaging of the face wash is also good. It looks luxurious. It looks like from a really good brand. And the color is black in color. Obviously charcoal, all the charcoal products are black in color. For the best use of this product, squeeze out a button sized amount of face wash into your palm, apply onto your wet face and gently work into lather. Massage well for 1 to 2 minutes and rinse off with warm water. And it's recommended to use daily because it gives a better results when used daily. Most of the charcoal products are black in color. Some might be grey, but most of them are black in color. This it has high viscosity, it's very thick. The face wash is very thick and it's hard to lather, but we have to massage really well to get a good lather. It smells great. It has nice smell, nice intense smell, not fruity kind of thing, but a nice, obviously you know how charcoal smells, so it has this charcoaly smell which is very intense, by the way. Well, that's all about charcoal face wash. Next, let's move into beard growth oil. So beard growth oil comes in one more package. Like it costs ₹395 for 30 ml. It says in this separate box. So yeah, this beard growth oil is paraben free. It is mineral oil free. It has no artificial fragrance. It has no animal testing done. This beard growth oil, it mainly contains onion oil with an advanced formula, along with which it is also infused with 10 nourishing oils for a strong, healthy beard growth. Now, this beard growth oil, it claims that it promotes healthy beard growth and prevents thinning of hair follicles. It nourishes the skin and hair to fight dryness, itchiness, and dandruff. It strengthens the root of the hair and solves for hair fall and patchiness issue. For the best use, take a desired amount into your palm and gently massage into facial hair and skin. And trust me, this smells really good. It has very strong, intense smell. I don't know if the smell remains for a long time or not in the beard. I have no idea about that, but it looks luxurious. Every product looks very branded and very luxurious, and it feels like it will make a great impact on beard. Okay, so next, moving on to this roller. We also get this roller. Next we have this derma roller. It comes in one plastic package. Inside there is a plastic box, transparent plastic box. Inside it we have a derma roller. Again, it also looks well packaged and stuff. It has this tiny needle kind of prickly thing, very tiny things, and there are many rolls. Ouch! It is very pricky. It's pricky. Just by touching you can feel that it's very pricky. Can you see it? Can you see? It's very sharp and thing. I don't know if it's pricky on bare hand, and it might not be pricky on beard, so that might be good, but it's really pricky. Be careful with it. Okay, so that's all about my first impression. My first impression on this is really good. I think overall this is a really good product. And if you're looking for any gifts to gift your guy friends or brother or anybody with beard, I think this would be a great gift. I think every guy would love it, because who doesn't want good beard? So I think this will be a good gift material. Well, yeah, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos. Bye bye.